Introducing PTZ Optics Perfect Track, the industry's most advanced auto tracking camera system. PTZ Optics Auto Tracking Camera System is designed to provide a professional video image. The Perfect Track system uses facial recognition, so you can do more with less by reducing the need for camera operators. The Perfect Track system features easy camera installation with options for wall, ceiling, and pole mounting. With full HD 1080p 60 frames per second video, the PTZ Optics Perfect Track is ideal for lecture capture and live broadcast. With automated camera controls that use facial recognition, this system is truly reliable for the most advanced video projects. Perfect Track PTZ controls will optimize your video workflow with auto tracking, increasing your audience engagement and provide amazing camera operation. Flexibility is key with PTZ Optics Perfect Track. Video output options include USB 3.0, HD SDI, HDMI, and IP streaming. Ideal for live sports, the PTZ Optics Perfect Track system is a 21st century technology you can use to reduce the need to staff camera operators. Schedule a live demo, attend an upcoming trade show, or watch one of our exciting live streaming webinars. And as always, create something amazing. Contact PTZ Optics at 1-800-486-5276 or sales@ptzoptics.com.